Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Death Anniversary of Subhas Chandra Bose. Nation on 18th August will mark the 78th death anniversary of Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. Called as Prince Among Patriots by Mahatma Gandhi, he was one of the most eminent freedom fighter of India. He is most famously known for organizing Azad Hind Fauj in Southeast Asia during World War II. Subhas Chandra Bose was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His birthday is celebrated as Prakram Divas across the nation. He was highly influenced by teachings of Swami Vivekananda and considered him his spiritual guru, while his political guru was C.R. Das. He belonged to extremist faction of INC and advocated for Swaraj and complete independence. He became president of INC twice, Haripura session and Tripuri session of 1938 and 1939 respectively. In 1939, he formed the All India Forward Bloc in 1939 as a faction within the Congress. During World War II, he went to Japan via Germany and Russia and organized Azad Hind Fauj with Indian prisoners of war to wage war against Britishers. His famous quote is, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." He also authored the book The Indian Struggle. Bose died of third-degree burns which he suffered in a plane crash in Taiwan on 18 August 1945. Various commissions like Shah Commission and Khosla Commission were appointed to ascertain cause of his death.